up, figbers? How are you growing your figs today? I wanted to show you a fantastic fig that just got ripe in the garden. Paratjal Rimada. As you can see, the external color is dark purplish black. The stalk's fairly long, and it is a Spanish variety. So, hola amigos, ¿cómo estás? And I've heard it has a berry aftertaste, so I'm going to try it for myself with the Foot Queen's penknife. There we go. You can see the fig for yourself. It's pretty. I think it weighs a fair amount. I'm going to cut it open and show you the inside. The skin is hard. I can't break through to it. It's all come on. Ooh, it's red. Look at that. It's red. Like purplish red. It's like ruby red. Ah, that's the one. So here's a piece for Savio. And for myself. It's so sweet. This you can taste. I mean, you can feel the seed crunch, but it's not interfering with the taste at all. It's so sweet, and the skin is it's like a tough film, but once you break into it, you don't feel it anymore. And the inside is so soft, and I can't match the taste. So that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.